Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skyway. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make a logo like this. So, without any further ado, let's get started. At first, we need a circle. 100 pixel. Okay. Select this circle. Hold Ctrl plus Shift, copy and adjust. Again hold Ctrl plus Shift, copy and adjust. We need another circle to 100 pixels. Okay. Adjust top. Again we need another circle. 300 pixels and okay. Adjust this circle and align. And now we need rectangle tools, 100 pixels. Okay. Align these shapes. Now select this rectangle, hold Ctrl plus Shift, copy and adjust. Again select this shape, copy and rotate. Hold Alt, copy this circle. Again hold Alt and copy this circle and adjust this circle carefully. Now select all and take shape builder tool. Pick up the fill color, none this stroke color. Now draw your letter carefully. Hold Alt for remove unnecessary part. Design almost done. Now change this color for more attractive. Adjust gradient color. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want something from this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates.